Hey guys, my name is Artem and I'm the owner here at Safety Restore, where you can save hundreds of dollars with our post-accident repair services. If you rebuild salvage cars for a living, own an auto repair shop, or trying to fix your personal vehicle, we have you covered. Our OEM Airbag Module Reset service will clear all crash data and hard codes stored in your car after any airbag deployment. Never buy a new SRS computer again. Also, our popular seatbelt repair service will rebuild your locked and blown seatbelts back to original condition. We get everything done in 24 hours, use 100% OEM parts, and best of all, have lifetime warranty. In addition, we also do seatbelt webbing replacements. That's a replacement service for your frayed seatbelts and seatbelts that are chewed by your dog. You can even revamp your interior and choose a custom color. We have dozens in stock. We'd love to earn your business, and we're all about helping you save some money. Give us a call today or visit us at safetyrestore.com.